Hey guys, welcome back to SnapFix. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the issue for this. If you turn on your stove, all you hear is clicking sound, but there's no flame. So let's go ahead and remove this. I'm going to show you why. Go ahead and remove the burner cap. And let's go ahead and zoom in there. Okay, so that is the orifice. Okay, that's where the gas actually flowing through. Okay, and then it flows up here. You fill up the gas. If you put the burn cap in here, you see all this little hollow gas going to trap in there, and it's going to flow out to these little grooves right there. And this is where the gas flow here. And then you turn on the igniter catch the flame, and it's going to spread out. Okay, but let's go ahead and remove this. So if you got anything that caused a blockage in that, you will have no gas flowing through. Okay, and that majority of the time that is the problem. Okay, if you just clean it out with either a toothpick or a needle or some sort, make sure that it's clean and hollow. It's the way it is. Okay, that's to solve the problem. Okay, and then if that is clean and you still see the problem, let me go ahead and do this for you. Here's another issue you might see. Once you clean your stove, for somehow you move this cap, it should sit snugly. Okay, it should fit very the way it's supposed to be. Okay, it should fit in very nicely on there. For some reason, if you move it like that, see, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to turn on the gas right now. See what happens. It's going to keep clicking because all the gas is flowing in there, and it's not flowing enough. It's not enough to flow through there. So that caused the igniter doesn't catch a flame. So that's what happened too. Look what happened when I put it in snugly. Okay, look at that. Boom. You see that? So that's two major issues that you can actually solve on your own. First thing, to check to see the orifice is actually blocked. If not, also check to see if that burner cap sitting nicely on top of it. It should fit snug and the way it should be. There's no movement. You can't do that or any loose like that. Okay, it will not ignite. Okay, so I hope that you found hope you find that helpful, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please support and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Appreciate it. See you next video.